to Italian flag advantages to embark 1420. So we have made the comparison. You have the table right here about how much is the pension, private pension you have to pay yourself if you are a Polish, a Latvian. I think a Polish is 1,000 euros, correct me if wrong. Latvian is 700 euros, correct me if wrong. Romania, 700 euros, correct me if wrong. Spain, I think it is maximum for maybe 3,000 euros, because it depends the category you are paying for, the weight you have. You want to have the maximum pension as emigrant, flag of convenience, cruise, other type of ships, or even local flags. Here you have the Italian flag. So we have made the list of how much you are paying for your private pension plan, and in any ways, if you have, for example, 4,000 euros wage and the flag of convenience, you are a Polish AB, and you're paying 1,000 euros for your private pension plan. Here, Italian flag is 3,000 euros AB. This is net. The owner pays your social security. Also, the sanitary assistance is approx 50 euros each country in Europe. That's something that we have in common in Europe. That's one of the few things. Even though in Spain it's 6 euros. But if we compare like this 1,700 and 500 and 400, I think Bulgaria is the lowest private pension plan contribution. If we compare all these, then it is 50 euros also sanitary assistance. So then you can really think about how competitive it is, the Italian flag. But apart from the reasons why you should apply in Candina, because this ship is a modern fleet, 37,000 ton, Mediterranean trade, Italian are the smiling people. You live much longer surrounded by very good Italian professionals because life is beautiful. And this Italian Mediterranean culture, Mediterranean food is also much longer, the life expectancy. And this is a very professional and family company like Candina. I love the family, I love this Italian family, and we want to have more family members in Europe. But apart from that, we are just discovering and we are posting here the unemployment benefits. Italy has the best unemployment benefits, as well as the Spanish flag, for example, has a ratio of 2:1 for retirement, as it is considered as a risk profession. Therefore, if we have someone sailing 25 years, counts like 50 for retirement. So that's one of the biggest competitive advantages of the Spanish flag. Now Europe is a bloody mess about these flags. It's pretty funny. So what is the competitive advantage of the Italian flag? It's very simple. 2 years on board equals 2 years unemployment. Well, no one can match that. Now we are investigating if you're doing like 4 months on, 2 off, AB, how many contracts, like 3 contracts, that's 12 months contract. Have you accrued enough to get other 12-month contracts unemployment, or do you need to get the 24 months, you see? So we are informing about this. It is a very personal situation, this, because you need to find out how much you pay in your pension, how many kids you have, how old you are. All this is complicated. So please investigate yourself, as the maestro investor always says, invest in yourself, find out these figures yourself, because I believe it is a huge competitive advantage that you have owner paying your social security, but the biggest competitive advantage of the Italian flag is the unemployment. 2 years worked, 2 years unemployment. Now that's huge. So please study this, invest in yourself, apply it here, like and subscribe. I hope you like this video. We're gonna put this post, but then you need to do your own investigations. Thank you, bye, arrivederci.